Okay, can I look now? I'm going around the way.
She's like traffic her. He's guarding the door. Jonah, move.
Fanny.
Shadow.
Well, look at the notes.
Shadow.
The notes in the book box.
Hey. Shadow.
Chloe, come here.
Shut up.
Jonah, please move.
You're such a pansy. Come here. Come on, you can go past the kitty cat.
Come here, Chloe.
Come here.
Come here, Chloe.
She's afraid of him.
Asshole. Shadow, stop being a
Come here. Come here. Come here, Chloe. Go past the big old meanie. Come here, Chloe. Come here, Chloe. Come on, baby. Come here. Come on.
trapped in the Pitbull.
Come here, Chloe. Come. You're almost past. Come on. Come on. And you're going to get attacked.
He was literally...
No, like sit down. Alright, guys. Chloe, I'm done with the last one.
Get out of the way, or you're going to get hurt.
You big sissy.
It's somewhere by the TV. In the purple bowl or by the No. Careful. Yeah. Yeah. That was it. My turn. No, not yet. Not done. And then, can I be mine next? No. Follow this. Wait, follow what steps? Follow the steps. Not 3. 1, 2, 3. How about G? G. Ow! G. Oh! G. How much is this parking steps? No, steps. Like, follow these steps.
Load the plane.
Anyway. Okay. I don't see anything.
Just smack her, Shadow.
Oh my god.
Now you're trapped again, dummy.